During the period of colonization and the rise of nation states all over the Muslim world, even the Muslim world shifted from this Adamiyya, the universalistic concept of Adamiyya, and also from this multiplex worldview to reductionist positivist worldview and the nationalism. I think in this age of globalization, it was forced on all world civilizations to be open civilizations. But what's imposed on the world today was voluntarily accepted and promoted by the Muslims, even from the very beginning. So this requires, changing the view of Muslims and non-Muslims and joining forces all together towards moving a global open civilization based on Adami and multiplex worldview. And this should be the goal for Muslim youth to work, because today Muslim youth lacks a future vision. And I propose that this future vision should be reviving Islam as an open civilization, which will benefit both Muslims and non-Muslims based on Adamiyya and multiplexity. This is what I call rooted revival of our civilization.